Surya Namaskar A, Sun Salutation A. Step to the top of the mat, feet hip distance apart or big toes touching, whatever's more comfortable. Take a deep breath and exhale everything down into the soles of the feet, lifting all 10 toes. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, hands at Samasthiti, palms face forward, rotate the shoulders open. Inhale, reach up to the sky, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold, hinging with a nice long back. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to shins or fingertips to the floor. Exhale, step back into plank. Lower down through Chaturanga on the same breath. Inhale into upward facing dog. Lift through the heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Traditionally, we take 5 full breaths here, working the weight into the fingers and into the soles of the feet, allowing the knees to bend as they need to, creating length along the spine. Taking another deep breath in and out. When you reach the bottom of that breath, step to the top of the mat into a forward fold. Exhale deeply. Inhale, halfway rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach all the way up to the sky. Nice and strong mountain pose, Tadasana. Exhale, hands to heart center or back next to the hips, facing forward. So another variation of Surya Namaskar A, changing it up so it's a little bit more simple to come through Chaturanga. Inhale, reach the arms up and overhead from Samasthiti. Exhale, hinge and fold. Lengthen the spine as you hinge at the hips. Inhale, halfway rise. Exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands to the earth. Inhale, step back to plank. Exhale, lower halfway down, pulling the chest forward, and then inhale up into upward facing dog. Exhale, press through the tops of the feet and the palms, downward facing dog, hips high. The traditional 5 breaths, in through the nose, out through the nose, engaging in Ujjayi pranayama if you choose. Allowing that deep guttural sensation to come into the body, building heat within. When you reach that last breath, exhale completely and step to the top of the mat, inhaling into a halfway lift. Exhale, hinge and fold. Inhale, reach all the way back up to the sky. And exhale, hands to heart or palms face forward next to the hips.